I absolutely love these things. These are called core depressors, and they're way better than using low loss fittings on hoses. So you screw them on, and they've got this knob here. You take that and twist it after you got the threads all screwed on, and it doesn't actually depress the Schrader core until you have those the connector on there all tight, and you have the core depressed with the knob there on the end. So it's essentially like a T, as far as how it looks, but you're gonna lose even less refrigerant putting these on, versus using a low loss fitting built into a hose or even an adapter that goes on a hose, and you don't have to worry about getting any air in the system this way.